and Chefettes. What's up, YouTube? We are back
with another video, baby. What you doing?
Bro, I can't get my workout in today somehow, so I'm multitasking the whole video, so you gotta get used to it.
All right.
Gotta get it in when you can. You wanna borrow my weights? No? Oh, okay. I was squat, but then y'all can't see me. You know why? Y'all wouldn't be able to see me. All right.
So this is Planet Fitness.
No, I don't go Planet Fitness. I go Retro Fitness.
Okay.
Don't act like you don't know where we go.
Okay.
Y'all know where we go to because y'all saw our videos. If you scroll back, that's us at the gym getting our gains and say something.
What's up, YouTube? Lost my hand. Crazy. It's too much going on in the kitchen today. It's too much going on.
Apparently you can't multitask like me.
Can I get my hat out?
So tell them what we cooking today.
Today we are cooking biceps and triceps.
No, that's not what we're cooking today. Try it.
Squats.
No, today's not leg day. Today is arm day. So we're going to put our arms to use in the kitchen, and we are going to make you guys some delicious homemade beef sliders.
Let's get to it. I'm ready. I want a burger. Let's go.
You hungry?
I'm always hungry.
This is true.
I am always hungry. All right, guys. So you know what we about to make today? We making beef sliders. Super Bowl's right around the corner. This is another easy recipe in preparation for Super Bowl Sunday.
Yep, easy to make, easy to cook, quick to cook, and it's going
What the hell?
to be delicious.
Cut.
What I do? What happened?
All right, guys. So when we come back, it's about to go
Damn! And guess what? I'm back with the ingredients, not only a burn. All right, so let me put these weights down and show you what we got. I needed a break anyway. You want to borrow my weights?
I don't know why you got weights up there on the counter.
Oh, because this is my intermission. Guys, we have some ground meat here, about 1.5 pounds. All right, we're gonna need these for sliders. Very important. Or you don't have no sliders. Some beef, right? We have a little bit of adobo. We're only gonna put a pinch of this, okay? Because it is salty, and we're gonna put a little bit of salt and pepper. Ooh, my black pepper is upside down. We're gonna put a little bit of salt and pepper. So we're only gonna put a little pinch of this adobo. We're gonna put about a tablespoon of this breadcrumb. This is half of a whole chopped onion, okay? Make sure I get that right.
Roger that.
We have 1 egg, 1 packet of sazon. We're going to squeeze just a little bit of ketchup in there. Squeeze a little bit of spicy brown mustard. We have about 2/4 of a cup of red and green pepper. 1 packet.
Oh, hold on. What was that? 2/4 of a cup
of red and green pepper.
Okay. All right, got you.
Okay, we got some beef bouillon here. We have a fat green pepper. We're gonna chop that up and put that in there. And we have some green seasoning.
What kind of green seasoning?
Just some green seasoning.
What kind of? It ain't sofrito, cuchi frito. So let them know what kind of green seasoning is that, please.
Why do you have to interrupt my scene?
Please let them know. They need to know which green seasoning we're using. You know, because we've made cuchi frito and we made Trini green seasoning. So please let our subscribers know.
I will let them know
which green seasoning.
When you say it correctly, because it's not called cuchi frito. It's called
Maldito.
We're making this stuff right here. We're making this green seasoning.
Which one is that?
I don't know. Two splat.
So then, how about you put that back in the fridge and go get your cuchi frito?
Good idea. Let me go get that.
I'm not eating.
You're not eating it?
Nope.
Then I suggest you get my name brand right. What is it called? And I'll say what this is.
Hold on, let me insert this plug real quick. Guys, if you want a bottle of this Trinidadian green seasoning, email us at cookandcomedy@gmail.com. We currently do not sell cuchi frito, but the Trini green seasoning, if you guys want it, just send us an email. All right, Vanna, back to you. That's your cue. Plug out.
Bro.
Go ahead.
Say it correctly.
Go ahead.
Sofrito.
That was 2 seasons ago. Come on, huh?
Let me go get it.
No. We don't. Come on.
I'll show them how much we have left because we use it.
Yeah, because Trini finished about 2 weeks ago.
They don't know that.
I just told them.
You have no proof. The bottle is right
That's
here.
why we just made a fresh batch.
No, the bottle right here is nice and full.
No, that is
All right, guys,
that's
so
a new
we're
bottle.
going to use about 1 tablespoon of this green seasoning
Trini
right here.
green seasoning, guys. Why are you hating? You're just a big hater. Go ahead, put your cuchi frito in there. See how they turn out.
Black pepper, okay, guys? And we're going to take all these ingredients and we're going to mix it in here. But we're going to do that in the next scene, so make sure you stay in tune with us. We'll be right back.
Hey, chefs and chefettes. Back with the next scene. So let me show you where we at. We added all the ingredients we mentioned into the ground beef. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to mix it up. I put on the gloves so I can get in there and get really good mix. So you're going to mix it up. Y'all see me?
We can see you.
Get all the ingredients into that ground beef. Nice. Watch me now. It's going to be some banging sliders. Who y'all got for the Super Bowl? Thank God New England didn't make it. So ecstatic. I don't care who wins. As long as the Patriots don't win, I'm excited. Don't hate me now. Alright guys, so after you mix your ground beef, get that egg in there. See the little moisture from the egg? Get everything covered, man. Trust me, you're gonna love our slider recipe. Ooh. Show you how to make the wings. How we doing the sliders. What we gonna do next? Maybe some quesadillas.
Some empanadas.
Empanadas, man. Super Bowl's coming, man. We gotta hit y'all with all the Super Bowl appetizer recipes. Alright, so your ground beef will look something like this. It's nice and mixed. Now that your ground beef is mixed, you're gonna take your Pam spray. You're gonna spray your Pyrex dish. Get it coated nice. And then you're gonna put your ground beef in there. You're gonna flatten it down. Make sure it takes the full shape of the dish, guys. Get it all in there. Don't waste no food. Don't waste no food. Get that all in there. Guys, so I'm gonna flatten this. I already set my oven for 350. It's gonna cook in your oven for 350. For how long, babe?
20 minutes.
20 minutes. All right, guys, so I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna place this in the oven. And I'll see you when I get back.
Hey guys, I'm back. Which means our sliders are already done and out of the oven. And this is what it looks like. You see it? So I took it out of the Pyrex, right? Before I did, I drained all of the liquid that was inside of it. It's very important. Drained the liquid. We took it out. Okay, we set it aside. And the next step we're gonna do is we're gonna take the bottom of the sliders, the buns, and we're gonna lay it flat. Do not wash it out because we want all the gravy that was from the beef that's in the Pyrex. We want that to go on our buns, all right? So pay attention. You guys are watching?
Where are you watching? On your buns. Grease on your buns.
Grease on buns. So as many that could fit here, that's what we doing.
So our dish looks like it'll hold about 9.
Yup, hold about 9. Just like that. And guys, today we're gonna top our meat with bacon, onion, and some of them with a little bit of cheese, not all of them. So with this step, you can top yours with whatever you like. Obviously not lettuce because you can't put that in the oven. We're gonna do that. Put this back in the oven. Now watch me. We're gonna take our beef and we're gonna put it back on top of the Pyrex. Hopefully it's not gonna break.
You better slide it in there. Yeah. Just pick up the whole dish and slide that sucker off the dish in there.
Not gonna slide.
Why not? Do you need my help? It looks like you're struggling.
No.
Yeah, it does. Just slide it off. Yes, pick up. Yes, pick that up and slide it. There you go. Somebody needs a nap.
Oh my God, I need a nap.
Yeah, we can tell.
Yes. So, let's put this in the sink so you guys can see better. We have bacon. Yummy.
Yummy.
You excited for this bacon?
Yummy.
You excited for this bacon?
Oh yeah, I'm excited for a slider. I am hungry.
You are hungry.
Hungry.
So this side is not gonna have any cheese, guys.
So we're doing half with cheese, half without, because not everybody likes cheese. But you can do it however you please. Man, put pickles on there, put whatever y'all want. Ketchup, mustard, whatever y'all want.
Whatever y'all want.
Jalapenos, load it up. Whatever you want on your burgers, your sliders, load that sucker up.
Yes, load it up. Alright, so right after we do this, we're gonna put the top of the buns right on top of it, okay? And then we're gonna brush it with a little bit of melted butter that you see here, alright? And then on top of that, you're gonna see next. Just a little bit. Nothing left behind, no.
Can't leave no ingredient behind. Alright. So now we're putting the buns on.
We putting the buns on.
Putting the buns on.
Make sure that's top.
Buns.
Whoop, whoop, whoop.
You know, some fluffy buns. That's that potato buns. Ooh, I'm about to gain 5 pounds tonight. Oh man, I'm about to brush it.
Yeah, so now we're taking melted butter and we're gonna brush these bad boys. Look at that.
Guys, you got sesame seeds? Sprinkle that on there.
Yes, some sesame seeds. And if you don't like sesame seeds, you don't like sesame seed bread, guys, you can take some Parmesan cheese,
some garlic,
and some parsley and throw it on here with your butter. And right before you throw it in the oven, make sure it's all layered. You want some of that on here, babe?
No, I want food. I'm hungry.
He's hungry.
Hurry up and throw those bad boys in the oven.
So guys, we're gonna leave it at 350 as is, okay? We're gonna throw these back in the oven for another like 5-10 more minutes, and then we're gonna show you what it looks like right before we take it. So stay tuned. Hey guys, we're back.
Back with the finished product.
And it's like we promised, it's banging. And somebody is starving. It's not me though. So let us show you what it looks like. I'm not holding my weights, guys, because I'm holding this delicious. Ooh. All the time. Really? It got like a huge hole in it now. Look, guys, look at this big fat one.
Guys, make these sliders. Make these sliders.
Stuff with bacon and cheese, onions, peppers.
It's Super Bowl Sunday. All your friends is over. Man, you whip these sliders together in about 30 minutes.
Guys, and you see how fat it is? They will get stuffed with one. I see you. Like, I see you. You can taste one and try it out.
It's going to take a little piece of it. All right, guys. It's time to go F up these sliders, man. That's enough talking for today.
Guys, make these sliders for your friends, your family. Comment below.
And subscribe.
And don't let, when you're in the kitchen, don't let nobody do that to your sliders, guys.
All right, guys.
Stab them.
That's it. So, we are out.